Have you ever wondered why some people speak English so easily while you freeze? Why words just vanish when it's your turn to talk? James sits at a small cafe. His friend smiles, holding a cup of coffee. James, did you watch that movie last night? James opens his mouth. He wants to answer, but nothing comes out. Inside his mind, what if I say it wrong? What if they laugh? His heart beats faster. His palms are sweaty. He nods silently, hoping no one notices. Later, in a group chat, James types, I want to speak English, but I feel stuck. He sends it, then deletes it. He fears being judged. This is James, a smart introvert who overthinks. He understands English. He knows the words. But speaking? That feels like walking on a tightrope. Here's the truth most people never tell you. Your brain is trained to avoid mistakes. It remembers every tiny embarrassment from childhood, school, or past conversations. So it builds a safety shield. Every time you hesitate, it whispers, better stay quiet than be wrong. This is why words freeze. Not because you're not smart. Not because you can't learn. Because your brain is protecting you. Fear and overthinking block your voice. Even when your knowledge is ready, your confidence is trapped. 1. Speak early, speak small. You don't need perfect sentences. Start with tiny words. A simple I liked it is enough. Your brain will slowly follow your voice. 2. Mistakes are feedback, not failure. Every wrong word teaches your brain something new. Celebrate small errors as steps forward. Confidence grows when you allow yourself to be imperfect. 3. Focus on feeling, not grammar. Notice your emotions. Relax. Enjoy the conversation. When you focus on connecting, the words appear naturally. Fluency is about expression, not perfection. It is 1 week later. James sits at the same cafe. A friend asks, James, did you watch the movie last night? This time, James smiles. He breathes calmly. I did. It was amazing. The ending surprised me. No hesitation. No judgment. No panic. The words flow. Simple, clear, confident. Inside, James thinks, I can do this. I can speak. I can connect. The nervous, silent James is gone. Here is future James. Calm, fluent, alive. Future James finishes a sentence and takes a sip of coffee. A new friend joins. Hey, do you like reading? James leans back, calm. Yes, I love it. Every book gives me a new world to explore. He notices the slight surprise on the friend's face. But James doesn't care. He feels a quiet pride, not arrogance, just confidence that comes from knowing. I can speak. I can share. I belong in this conversation. Even when someone asks a tricky question, James pauses for a second, then answers. No overthinking. No panic. Just flow. This is the power of small, consistent mental shifts. Fluency is not about knowing every word. Fluency is about freeing your voice. Say it in your mind. Let it sink. This line is simple, but it changes everything. It reminds you that speaking English is not a test. It's a habit, a feeling, a connection. James remembers the lessons that transformed him. Speak early, speak small. Even tiny sentences grow into conversations. Mistakes are feedback, not failure. Each mistake is a step forward. Focus on feeling, not grammar. Connection matters more than perfection. Every small step rewires the brain. Every calm conversation builds confidence. Every shared thought strengthens fluency. James walks out of the cafe. A new challenge waits. A meeting, a phone call, another friend. Inside, he smiles. He knows his old fear will try to stop him. But now he has a choice. He whispers to himself, I speak. I connect. I am fluent. And here's the twist. Tomorrow, you could be the next James. Will you let your voice stay trapped, or will you speak early, small and free? The choice is yours.